visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings, no? So, tignan natin kung ano ang kwento, no, ng inyong buhay pag-ibig ngayon, kung ano ang update. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, leave what's not working for you, no? And I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan niyo po ito napanood, the message is meant to find you with the Four of Cups. Gusto man nating kalimutan yung person pero hindi natin nagawa. Gusto man nating i-reject, no, yung idea na ayaw mo na sa kanya, ganun pa rin yung nararamdaman mo eh, ang hirap. Hindi mo mawari na ganun ka pala ka-generous, no? Parang nabigla ka rin sa sarili mo na meron palang tao na masusubukan yung haba ng pasensya mo, no? With the King of Cups. Siguro, sabihin natin, wala kasi tong closure, no? Hindi natin alam kung tayo ay magpapatuloy, mag-aantay, para tayong nakalutang sa ere, no? Hindi natin alam kung itong taong to ay babalik ba, kung may plano pa ba, no? Kung ano na nangyari sa kanya, wala. Parang ni ha, ni ho, wala. With the Death card, so yung puso natin, somehow, gusto pa rin siyang makasama, makita, gusto pa rin siyang, gusto pa rin yung maging kayo. Somehow. There's a part of you that your person's kind of, there's a part of you that you're longing, no? To be with this person again. Pero again, yung kalahati ng puso ninyo, or probably yung utak niyo sinasabi, nako, wag na. Move forward, go on, wag mo nang antayin with the Queen of Pentacles and the World card. So parang, ay, actually nagparaya tayo. Feeling ko meron ditong part na we did tried. Either to talk to someone, even to the extent of nakipagrelasyon tayo, no, sa iba, or somewhat kumuha tayo ng, sabihin natin rebound, for the sake of mawala lang sa isip natin, no, itong person na ito na, kumbaga papalipas oras, no, masakit man, pero kailangan natin yun eh, no, to cope up. Hindi ko sinasabing masamang tao ka, no. Actually, hindi ka nga magiging biktima kung hindi ka naman, kung masamang tao ka, dapat hindi ka nasaktan, di ba? With the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita natin dito, ang saya-saya nyo nun. Actually, si person ang I feel like sa online kayo nagkakilala, no? Kinausap ka niya. Is there something here na merong picture na parang either meron kang katabing puno, no? Yung parang alam mo yung mga titas pose, no? Yung hindi nakatingin sa camera pero nakaganyan, tapos nakaganyan sa puno, no? Somehow, doon siya nabighani or yun yung picture na puno ba yung bulaklak? Yung, or may paru-paro, speaking of, um, doon kanya unang nakita, doon niya unang nakita ang picture mo, no? With the Seven of Pentacles. Uy, ah, sabihin natin kasi meron ditong, yung isip natin, no? Parang nakikipaglaban eh. Yung isip natin pwedeng sinasabi, move forward. Pero yung puso natin talaga sinasabi, antayin mo. So, ang hirap na gera ito. Mahirap na laban ito. Dahil, ang kalaban mo sarili mo na. No? With the Three of Wands and the Empress. Actually, you're even preparing for this person's comeback. Siguro, nagpapapayat ka, or nagpapalagay ka ng laman. Speaking of, nagpakulay tayo ng buhok, no? Nagpa-ribbon, nagpa-perm, kung ano man yan, no? Kung ano man changes yan, even to the extent of going under the knife. Pero, these changes, of course, that's also for you, pero you kind of like wanting to offer it to your person, no? Siguro kung lalaki naman itong nanonood, baka nagji-gym ngayon or health conscious, no? Nagta-try tumakbo, nagjo-jogging para what do you say, how do I say this? Magpaano na, mag-trim down or magpalagay din ng muscles, no? With the Hierophant, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. Uy, di may hihingi siya ng sorry dahil sa pag-iwan sa'yo. Hihingi siya ng sorry dahil sa, with the Ten of Pentacles in here siguro pinautang mo to or may utang pa rin sa'yo, no? With the Ten of Pentacles, baka marami itong ginawa or marami kang naibigay. So parang feeling ko, um, either may pasalubong, no? Or talagang babawi. With the Hierophant, nandito din yung offer of apology, no? Yeah, mabuti naman at merong apology. At marunong siya mag-sorry ngayon, no? The Ten of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles, dadating yung time na ikaw naman ngayon. Sasabihin mo, nung nagpakita siya, ang weird lang. Inaantay mo yung tao. Okay. Nung dumating, hindi mo naman sure kung gusto mong tanggapin. Hindi mo sure kung tatanggapin mo or you just let it be. May awkward feeling dito na, there's something off nung nakita kita. With the Eight of Cups, for some reason, meron ditong, I'm walking away. Nandun yung love. Don't get me wrong. Meron akong pagmamahal sa iyo. Pero hindi kasi Eight of Pentacles parang sinasabi dito, hindi ito yung ina-expect ko. Nung nagpakita siya, there's the energy is really off na sinasabing mo, nakukulangan ako. Or baka this is also a realization of hindi na pala ganun ka intense, no? Ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Oh, wow. With the Seven of Wands, I think that your person's gonna be very strategic kung paano ka i-approach. Pero you will be very strategic. Mabait ka pa rin no? Na gagawa ka ng way na ikaw na yung magre-reject sa person, pero hindi katulad ng kasing harsh ng ginawa niya, you're gonna reject this person's offer respectfully. You're gonna reject the person's offer na medyo mild, no? Nang hindi nakaka-offend. And the Six of Wands, I feel like bibigyan ka lang nito ni person ng time para makapag-isip. But I feel like pipilitin ka pa rin niya, no? Pipilitin niya na maging maayos kayo or ayusin itong napigil na relasyon. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung gusto nyo po, kung you're nakaka-resonate kayo sa reading na ito, there's actually a link sa description box ng video na ito. So, click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign now. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pwede lumabas din po ang inyong zodiac sign. Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo. I'm seeing Capricorn, Scorpio uli, no? I am seeing Taurus, Leo na naman. So, Pisces, Cancer. Yan. Did I just mention Virgo? Yes. So, this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am Daphne, also known as Papayant. Standing in my own design.